Oh, it's on. Hey guys, sorry here. And stop looking at the computer. I'm here today just to do a small little unwrapping video of let's see, this here. The CirclePad Pro for 3DS. As you can see. I got this at EB Games. Unfortunately, I had to go to 2 EB Games just to get this, and I don't know, like, the first EB Games I went to was, they said they had it, they carry it, but they don't have it. So there's a mall around where the EB Games I went to was, and he called there, and they had one left, and I couldn't get it that day, so I went there the next day, and luckily they had it. So yeah, this is the CirclePad Pro. I got it a couple days ago, and I just wasn't able to make a recording on it because my internet's being such a jerk. But anyway, and as you can see down here, I have my 3DS. Now, the CirclePad Pro is mainly used for games that require a second CirclePad on here, such as Monster Hunter, such as Monster Hunter Tri-Ultimate, and a couple other games I don't really know. But the one I know that can use this is Monster Hunter Tri-Ultimate. Anyway, we'll proceed with the opening of this in just a second. Ah, that's better. Okay, now, I'm just gonna... trying to hold this and open this at the same time. It's in this box. Now, I really don't know how this is going to... tape. I really don't know how this is going to, like, turn out or anything. Wait, this thing comes with batteries? I didn't know that. Didn't it say batteries not included? I don't know. Anyway. Let's get this thing out of here. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. This is the CirclePad Pro. I don't know if anything in the box here. Oh, here we have the manual. Well, this is, of course, the CirclePad Pro. Attach the wrist strap to the Nintendo 3DS and wear it when using this accessory. Attach it to the 3DS. Where? I don't see a place where you could put this. This is somewhere I don't know about. It's through there. I don't know. But yeah, this is the CirclePad Pro, and I don't know if this just snaps in or what it does. But, ugh, my screen's all dirty. I am a complete nut bar about having a clean screen. I always keep my screens clean because I don't want any filth building up in them. I pretty much clean them all the time, so... Anyway, that's what it's supposed to look like. And, I don't know. I mean, holding it like this is kind of strange. Of course you have this here, but it's like, oh, you have to reach your hand all the way over here, and I'm used to holding the 3DS the other way. I'm used to holding it this way where the buttons are like right in front of you, and it's so strange just having the CirclePad Pro like this. Now it says it uses a... I tried to open that with my nail. Oh, it has these things on the back. Oh, that's how it works. If you could see it right there, that that lines up with this on the back, the black thing. That is right, this thing here, and it reads that you have the CirclePad Pro on there, and that's why it uses the battery to keep it going. Ah, I see. Now, unfortunately, I do not have a screwdriver with me. Ugh. Maybe I can use this. Trying to use nail clippers to open it. Gee, I'm so original. But anyway, yeah, this is the CirclePad Pro. So, I hope you guys don't mind if I... Oh wow, that was on there tight. There we go. Just use my nail to get the rest of it off. Oh, mind you. There we go. And as you can see, it takes one AAA battery, which is right here. One AAA. And it goes in just like that. And then this goes back on there. Tighten her down. It's going to be weird playing this with the CirclePad Pro, because I never played a... Get that on there a little tighter. There we go. I never actually played a 3DS game with this on it, and it's going to be a bit strange. So I'm guessing every time after I use it I have to take the battery out, because if I don't it'll run the battery dry. Push in there. It's on like that. This looks pretty cool. It does look cool. Let's give her a whirl. course I got Monster Hunter Tri on there. Tri Ultimate. Kinda hard to reach the side of the button here. Kinda hard to reach the side where the volume is. Also heard that Capcom was losing a lot of money and about going out of business or whatever. To be honest, I really hope it doesn't. Let's continue with my account here. With my poor account. New character. Yeah, I can't transfer my other character onto this because I don't have an SD card. So I just decided to make a new one, start up fresh on this game, and see what I can do. And there I am. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, let's see. You can change them. So you have 3 settings for this. To do this, go start, go to options, go over to the right one, go down to Circle Pad Pro, and you can change it. Type 1 goes the ZL and ZR buttons will perform the same functions as the L and R buttons. The ZL and ZR buttons will perform the same functions as pressing left and right on the control pad, which means you can change your view of the field and look around. Or type 3, where the ZL and ZR buttons will perform the same functions as pressing up and down on the control pad. Now, I'm not a fan of that third one, so I'm just going to go for type 2. And actually, I'm going to see what I can do with these. So let's just go to Moga Woods for a second. Oh, come on. Really? That's what it does. Okay, so let's see. Options. Circle Pad Pro, Tech 2. It seems like it doesn't work at the moment. You know what? I'll get it working sometime. But anyway. thank you guys for watching. See you later.